Are you alone this Christmas? Who cares? Thanks to Network 2's amazing offer featuring countless classics to brighten up any home. Unlike other channels, ours offers satisfaction guaranteed.
For your eyes only.
At the touch of a button. Horror, adventure, fantasy, comedy or pathos, we've got them all!
From the smell of him, I'd say it was the booze.
Plus, you can decide to watch them with the sound on. This fantastic offer is not available in the shops. But wait, there's more! License holders, this unique bargain is absolutely free for a limited period only.
What do you think?
So what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. Just tune into Network 2 this Christmas and leave the rest up to us. This titanium collection is not available in these countries. It's outrageous! It's yours! It's Network 2's Christmas schedule coming soon!
There's crime drama coming up later here on 2 with some disturbing murders in Trial and Retribution. Then Blind Date meets the travel show in Wanderlust at 11:40. But now here on 2, the Blizzard of Odd.
The following program contains the scenes of an adult nature.
We have control of the television. Do not adjust your settings. We have control of your horizontal hold. We have control of your vertical hold. We have disabled your remote control. We have closed your home button. You are now on captive in the unstoppable realm of the Blizzard of Odd.
Hello, my name is Colin Murphy, and yes, I am a schlockaholic. On this week's Blizzard of Odd, I'm away on an orgy of Bulgarian retro therapy that'll take in such an excess of sateen, shoulder pads and synthesizer sounds that, and I warn you, you may be forced to spew up your dinner, sculpt your hair into seagull winglets and drown the awful pain in bucketfuls of Malibu and pineapple. Because in this week's almost all 80s Blizzard of Odd, we present